Hello everyone, so welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I am CHHUOY again and I will teach you how to copy the color code from two pictures. That it means you copy one color code from one picture and pass it into the other picture in Photoshop. So here's the colors here, and I want to use that color, but we don't know how to mix it or how to change it to be completely the same. Sometimes it can be wrong or it's just a similar way. So to copy that 100% code the same, you need to do like this. The first, you're gonna click on this one that called background here, and when you see the screen is popping up like this, and you will choose the pen like this. When you see the pen, you will click on the color that you want to use. So now I'm gonna click on D here, and here is the color code. And now I'm gonna start again, choose that one, and OK. And when you see that, you will see something like this. It is the number of color code. So now I'm gonna click on that, right click on that, and then select copy. After that, you're gonna click cancel here, and you're gonna change this text to that color code that is 100% the same. Now we're gonna click on that and right click on the layers here, right click on that, and you will see the blending option here. Choose on that, and you will see the color overlay here. Now click on that, and now gonna change this by clicking this one here, and now pass the code that you have been already copied. So right click on that and select pass, and here is the completely the same color. And now I'm gonna click OK, and now we compare between these colors and this color. This color is here white, just over around here, so you can change it to white also. It is right click on that and go to outer glow here, and you choose color, kind of color that you can choose white like this, and unplug the stroke here. And here is the way that you are using the stroke here. Here is you can also change the stroke color too if you want it. So I'm gonna use that. So now we are gonna compare it with the same. The two color is the same, and here is this one, and now we're gonna drag it also, and here is the other one. So this is the way that you can copy the colors code from one image to the other image. So thank you for watching my video tutorial from Khmerue Teams Official Channel.